So I was able to play with the new Sony 35 1.8 FE for full frame lens, What's up everybody, Amauris Hernandez here. That's my name, Amauris. So if you're new to this channel, I do behind the scenes photo shoots, cinematography stuff, and anything related to photo shoots or video. Manny invited me to this event and he had the 35 1.8 and I took advantage of the situation. You know, Manny, you'll let me borrow it here and there when you're not using it? Yeah, no problem. So I shot a little bit of video with it, not too much, on gimbal on the A7 III, and I love the combo. Yes, I didn't get to use it as much as I want to, but it's similar to this size, to the Sigma 30 1.4 for crop frame cameras. And if you have a full frame camera, it's pretty much the same size as the 55 1.8. That's the first initial thoughts of this. I pretty liked it. I really liked it. As for video, on the video side of things, on the photography side of things, I'm so attached to my Sigma 1.4. I can see it being very handy for, like, you know, if you want to travel light, if you want to walk around light. It's very handy, especially on the video side for me. For photography side, like I mentioned, I own the Sigma 1.4, so if you have the size 35 1.4, they're about the same weight in glass. I suggest it as of right now. I want to get more. I want to see if I can get my hands on it when it comes out, even if it's a rental. For the price, it's tough. The Sigma 35 1.4 is around the same price. If you're going for portraits, it's hard to say. Now, if you're switching to mirrorless because since it's lighter, then that makes total sense to go with that lens. If the price is not a problem for you, you know, jump on it. If you care about the glass more than anything, then I will look into the Sigma, or if you have the budget, get the size 35 1.4, something like that, or the Rockana, yeah, or the Rockana, or the Samyang 1.4. Those are all great lenses as well. So the 35 is pretty much the same thing as this lens. It has the switch right there and the button, so you can, you know, set it up to your needs. That's pretty much it. Can't say too much about it other than my first felt with it. I would love it. I think I would buy it. I will buy it if I mainly shoot with primes for video. For photography as well. I'm a prime shooter mainly for photography, but I've been using the zoom lens lately and I'm loving it. You know, trying to be versatile. If you shoot video and you rely on the prime, that 1.4, you want that bokeh, you want that compression in the background for videos, definitely consider this lens, especially for gimbal work. It's lighter. I used it with the Fiotech AK2000 and it performed pretty well. So thank you to Manny for letting me borrow the lens here and there for the Sony event. Yeah, Sony from the I don't know whose it was. All I know was for the B Alpha event, and Samuel Barrett from Shutter Gurus for the clips of me shooting with the lens. Yeah, on the gimbal. Yeah. If this video helped you in any way onto leaning towards that lens or leaning away from that lens, let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're into photography, behind the scenes stuff from photo shoots and videos. And see you in the next one. Peace.